The high-performance KUPER ACR puts the glue joints together crosswise. The veneer strips are optimally positioned behind the separating pins by means of innovative measuring wheel sensors. The result: fewer disruptions in the production process and reliable processing even of wavy veneers. The KUPER VSR module is an end gluing and trimming machine. Here, the veneer carpets are reinforced at the ends either with KUPER glue thread or with tape, and at the same time, trimmed exactly to the required size. And this without any rework. The precise dimensional accuracy throughout the entire production process ensures not only high productivity, but also outstanding quality, right through to the final processing stage.